Let's understand how to create professional Proforma Invoice using the Quotation Maker web app. From the dashboard, click on New Proforma Invoice to get started. From here, you can change the Proforma Invoice date. From here, you can add Proforma Invoice details like due date and PO number. Add customer by clicking on the Select Customer option. Here, you can choose a customer from the existing customers list or add a new customer. Fill up customer details and don't forget to save it. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select product. Here you can choose product from existing products list or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. Fill up product quantity. You can also edit price and description. Now click on Add to Proforma Invoice. This will be added to your Proforma Invoice. Now let's add another product, same as the first one. Selected products will be displayed in the final PDF. From here you can add other charge information if available. From here you can add other information if available. Let's add terms and conditions. Here, you can choose terms from the existing list or add new terms. Add terms as per your need or requirement, then save it. You can select multiple terms or select all terms. Selected terms will be displayed on the final PDF. From here, you can add paid information if available. Verify all details on the screen and generate Proforma Invoice. Your professional-looking Proforma Invoice is ready. You can download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.